Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Today I have only 3 tickets of Puti de Mil, pot of honey in English, and I have the Euro Millones. This is my number. If this number comes out tonight, I will be a millionaire. This is my daughter's birthday. My age when I delivered her. And this one, 2 and 8. Now she's 8. 2 when she arrived in Portugal. Okay? So if this number comes out tonight, I will be a millionaire. Okay? Vamos começar. Let's start. Os números aniversario da minha filha. Sa 18 de setembro de 2017. Okay? Tinha edad cuando what's delivered? When I delivered her, I was 35. I got married very late, guys. 34. I was trying to get rich, but never happened. Okay? Let's start. Vamos começar. Okay? Tenho números 13, 14, 15. 13, 14, and 15. I got married late, guys, because I was trying to get rich without disturbance. But I got pregnant. Portuguese men are very smart, guys. Not are. My husband is very smart. I met him October 31, 2017. No, not 17. Yeah, 2016, right? 2000, because my daughter was born 2017. Okay, 2016. And then I got pregnant. I was October, November, December, January. December. I don't want to share. It's very personal. After October, November, December, January, February, March, April. No, October, November, December, January, February. February 16, guys, we got married. Very fast. Romance. Okay? 51, 8, 58. Ay, Jesus. I don't like this number, guys, but this ticket, because I'm lazy, guys. I don't like to search the numbers. I'm a lazy person. Okay, so I got married late, guys, and when I met my husband, I got married very fast also. I remember my husband called his mother in Portugal, in Portuguese, of course, but I remember his mother cried. 58? Because it's too fast. My husband explained to me in English afterwards, of course, because I didn't understand Portuguese yet. 12:49. 12:49. My daughter was born in Hong Kong, guys. Could win 100. 37, 22. 37, 22. 22. 37. Maybe I win €5. 48, 55. 48, 55, 43, 60, 43, 60, 34, 45, 34, 45. I don't want the numbers goes here because it's impossible to win. Big. 15, 14. 14. I need 54 to win. I don't have. 14. 15. Size 20 ohm. Oh Lord. Size 20 ohm. It's not a winner, of course. 20 ohm. Where's the 70 size? 57. Nada. Okay, so another winner. Ticket number 13. Go to 14. Takes forever to win. To find out if I win or not in this ticket, guys. 42, 55. 42, 55. 42, 58, 4. 4, 58. 60, 19. 19. Maybe 3 euro. 60, no. Yeah, 60, 19. No repetition. 19. Where's another 60? Maybe not. Ohm, 48. Ohm, 48. 2, 8. 8, at least I win 5 euro. 2, 40 ohm, 47. 47. 47. 41. 11. 39. Ay! 5 euro. 11! Wow! I won 10 euro, guys. Wow! 11, 39. Wow, 10 euro. 35, 44. 35, 44. I won 10 euro, guys. Look, bro. 18, 12. 18, 12. Nada. W, 10 euro. 5, 5. Okay, so it's a good session, guys. 10 euro. Okay, so I got 1 euro. Look, bro. Ticket number 14. Let's hope this is a winner also. So I continue, guys, my love story. So 2017 I got married. I was how many months pregnant? 3 months pregnant, I think. Hi, Jesus. Portuguese guys are very smart, guys. Portuguese men are very smart. They made me pregnant. So, of course, I no, at first, guys, I didn't want to get married because it's too fast. I know he's financially stable, but I don't know if he's mentally stable. 12, okay, 33. So I was thinking, I told him, okay, we can live together. And then we get married if we are after like 1 year, 2 years. But no. I need to apply passport for our daughter. You're the only pregnant woman in the world that delay the marriage when you're already pregnant. I'm scared of marriage, guys. It's too serious matter. 26, 53. 53. 26. 26. Okay. 17, 34. 34. 17, 34. Where is it? Here. Cinquenta e dois, 56, 56. Very serious matter this. 56, Zika. Oh Lord, Zika, you need a... Ay, 56, 52, 56. 35, 55. 35, 55. I need 8 to win. 20 euro. Come on, ticket. Oh Lord. No. I need 8, but no. 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 I was very close to 5 euro, 3 euro, and 20 euro. No. It's not the same letters. Okay. 30 ohm. Okay, so it's not the winner. But I got 10 euro. I got 10 euro out of 9 euro session. Not bad, guys. This is C and it's not, I thought it's the same letters, but no. Okay, so it's not a winner. Maybe I miss a lot of numbers, but it's not a winner. Okay, so I got 1 euro lucro. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.